Okay, so we're going to finish off our croquettes now, coating them in breadcrumbs. Before we do that, let's just talk about the stage we're at. Obviously we had the boudin on before. I've now trimmed the ends off and cut through each one to make them exactly the same size. Okay, so we work really accurately. You can see that there, got lovely rounds, and you can see all the texture of the bacon through them. Okay, so the next stage is to carry out the technique called panne. You did this in year 9 when making Scotch eggs, so hopefully it's familiar to you. Okay, so first we're going to roll them in plain flour, then into beaten whole egg, so white and yolk, and that's obviously to help the breadcrumbs stick. And then finally I've got some wholemeal breadcrumbs. Okay, for this use stale bread or toast the bread and then grind them into breadcrumbs so you get a nice fine breadcrumb. Obviously using wholemeal to increase the fibre of the dish here. So I've left the cling film on so I can remove that one by one, carefully removing it. Now I need to work quickly because what I don't want to happen is for the shape of the croquette to start to, well, for it to start to lose its shape basically. Rolling it really carefully, holding it really gently in the egg. Okay, then into the breadcrumbs. We've got about 100 grams of breadcrumbs here. They're not all on the plate because what tends to happen is they start to get a little bit lumpy after a while, so I'll add some more to the plate when these become a little bit sticky. In fact, with only doing 3, they might be okay. Okay, so repeat the process until you've got 3. As you can see with that one, it's still the perfect shape.